What if I told you that you can build your first AI-powered app today with zero coding experience? No programming, no backend, just AI. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to build a real AI study buddy app using Google AI Studio. If you're a beginner or non-developer, this video is for you. The app we're building can explain any topic in simple words, create short notes, help students understand concepts easily, and the best part, we are not writing a single line of code. Google AI Studio lets you interact with powerful AI models using just prompts. Think of it like giving instructions to a smart assistant, and it does the rest. Let's open Google AI Studio. You don't need to install anything. It works directly in your browser. This is the most important part, the prompt. This prompt defines how our AI study buddy behaves. We are telling the AI, act like a friendly study assistant, explain concepts in simple language, give examples and key points, teach like the user is a beginner. This single prompt is what turns AI into an app.
Stay with me for the next 5 minutes because by the end of this video, you'll see a real AI app built live without writing any code. Most people think app development is hard, but today I'm not opening VS Code, I'm not setting up a backend, I'm just opening my browser. This is exactly how beginners should start with AI. So I have improved the response of AI just writing prompt. How cool it is. So why wait? Go fast and make your first AI apps with Google AI Studio. This is not a sponsored video by the way. And the best part is you can deploy this project in cloud in next part. I will show you how you will deploy this project in cloud. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.